Usually, virtual event sponsors have to work at getting attendees' attention. The good news is, they expect that and can prepare for it in advance. Imagine their look of surprise when they find out you've made it that much easier for them. Make your sponsors a visible part of your content and strategy.
Cut!
Make your sponsors a must-see part of your event. Add sponsored sessions to the agenda, ask them to create original material, or invite them to panels. Happier sponsors guaranteed. You win because your agenda and lineup win. Hence, your attendees win. At the end of the day, or multi-day event, sponsors look at booth visits, demos booked, and QBMs to measure their satisfaction. Having their content on the platform will indirectly help grow these numbers, but directing traffic to sponsors' pages will surely do the trick. Use notifications and gamification to kick it upstairs.